Welcome to Kids World with Gauri Ma'am.
Let's start our today's drawing. So first we will write letter H. Now we will make it letter U by joining these two lines with the help of curve. Now here we will extend this line and we will draw one curve. One more curve we will draw. Now we will draw two circles for its eye, one triangle here for nose.
Now we will write letter W and letter U for its mouth. Okay, and here two half circles. Inside this circle we will draw two more circles.
Now we will do coloring. For its tongue we are using light pink color and here red color. Okay. For eyes it's black. Here we will use black again.
Now we will use yellow color to finish it. So our Pikachu is ready.
Thanks for watching.